It is a little introduction to the Vedas and various aspects of it. So I thought maybe we'll go through certain mantras. So I've given you a paper, so selected mantras from the Vedas. So some of the mantras we will see. So it becomes our actual learning of the Vedas. These are randomly selected mantras from various Vedas, Atharva Veda, Yajurveda, Rig Veda. So we'll very quickly go and try to cover all these mantras. The first mantra is an invocation to various deities. So the Rishi in the morning says, Pratar Agnim, Pratar Indram, Havamahe, Pratar Mitra Varuna, Pratar Ashvina, Pratar Bhagam Pushanam Brahmanaspatim, Pratar Soma Mutarudram Havamahe. So Havamahe means I invoke, or we invoke. We invoke these divine powers, Indra, Mitra Varuna, Ashwini, Bhaga, Pushan. Pushan is another name for Surya, Brahmanaspati, and Rudra and Soma. So this is the simple meaning of the mantra, that in the morning, with the break of the day, we invoke the presence of these deities to come to our help us in our path of sadhana. So if you want to repeat, you can repeat the mantras with me. First I say, then you can repeat. Pratar Agnim, Pratar Indram, Havamahe, Pratar Mitra Varuna, Pratar Ashvina, Pratar Bhagam Pushanam Brahmanaspatim, Pratah Soma Mutarudram Havamahe. So maybe once we will do the chant of it. So first I say, then you repeat once, then we will do it once together, like we do the mantra yoga. Prataragnim pratarindram havamahe, Pratar mitra varuna pratarashvina, Pratar bhagam pushanam brahmanaspatim, Pratah soma mutarudram havamahe. We'll do it all together with Om. Prataragnim pratarindram havamahe, Pratar mitra varuna pratarashvina, Pratar bhagam pushanam brahmanaspatim, Pratah soma mutarudram havamahe. Then it says, Eka evagnir bahudha samiddha, Eka suryo vishwamanu prabhuta, Ekei vesha. So there is a typo, so just correct it, Ekei vesha, not eshaha. Ekei vesha sarvamidam vibhat tyekam va idam vibhabhuva sarvam. So the last part of that ekam sa tadekam, so a mantra of that nature, which is Eka eva agnir bahudha samiddha. It is that one Agni, but lit, kindled in many forms. Samiddha. Ekah suryo vishwamanu prabhuta. It is only one sun, though there are thousands of suns, but it is just one sun which has become many. Eki vesha sarvamidam vibhati. It is one light that shines in everything and being. Ekam va idam vi babhuva sarvam. It is one which has become many. So this is the meaning of the verse. Repeat. Ek evagnir bahudha samiddha. Ekah suryo vishwamanu prabhuta. Ekah suryo vishwamanu prabhuta. Ekaiveshah sarvamidam vibhati. Ekam va idam vi babhuva sarvam. एक एवाग्निर्बहुधा समिद्ध. एकः सूर्यो विश्वमनुप्रभूत. एकैवेशः सर्वमिदं विभाति. एकं वा इदं विबभूव सर्वम्. Together. एक एवाग्निर्बहुधा समिद्ध. एकः सूर्यो विश्वमनुप्रभूत. एकैवेशः सर्वमिदं विभाति. एकं वा इदं विबभूव सर्वम्. Om. Then in the next mantra, the Rishi says, there are mostly very simple mantras which I have selected for this purpose. Udihi, Udihi Surya, Varchasa ma bhyudihi, Yangscha pasyami yangscha na teshu ma sumatim krudhi. It means, so it says, the Rishi says to Surya, addressing, O Surya, Udihi, Udihi, rise and rise. Varchasa ma bhyudihi, and rise, and Varchasa, by your rays, make me rise. Ma abhyudihi, Varchasa, with your brilliance, with your rays, with your light, make me rise. Rise in front of me. Yangscha pasyami, yangscha na, teshu ma sumatim krudhi. Whomever I see and whom I don't. So in all, what I see and what I don't see, in all, may I have the peace of mind or good mind. May I look upon everything with a good mind, sumati. May I have sumati, so make that sumati in me for everything that I see and I don't see. So sometimes we don't speak ill of someone who is present, but ill of someone who is not present. So this is, I should have sumati for everyone, whether I see them or I don't see them. So sumatim krudhi. So udihi, Udihi Surya, Varchasa ma bhyudihi. Yangscha pasyami yangscha na teshu ma sumatim krudhi. So repeat, Udihi, Udihi Surya, Varchasa ma bhyudihi. Yangscha pasyami yangscha na teshu ma sumatim krudhi. Okay. So, Udihi, Udihi Surya, Varchasa ma bhyudihi. Yangscha pasyami yangscha na teshu ma sumatim krudhi. All together. Udihi, Udihi Surya, Varchasa ma bhyudihi. Yangscha pasyami yangscha na Teshu ma sumatim krudhi. Om. Then it says, Tadeva agnis tadadityas tadvayus tadchandrama. Tadeva shukram tad brahma ta apa sa prajapati. So it is that alone, that one supreme reality who has become Agni, or who is Agni, who is Aditya, who is Vayu, who is Chandrama, who is Shukra. Shukra means who is bright, splendid, who is the Brahman, who is Apa, all the sources of waters, and Sa Prajapati, he is the creator. He is the Lord of all that is born. Tadeva agnis tadadityas tadvayus taduchandrama tadeva shukram tadu brahma ta apa sa prajapati. So repeat. Tadeva agnis tadaditya tadvayus taduchandrama tadeva shukram tad brahma ta apa sa prajapati. Tadeva agnis tadaditya tadvayus taduchandrama tadeva shukram tad brahma ta apa sa prajapati. Om. Tadevagnis-tadaditya tadvayus-taduchandrama tadeva shukram tadbrahma ta apah sa prajapati. Om. Next it says Abhayam Mitrat, Abhayam Amitrat, Abhayam Jnatat, Abhayam Parokshat, Abhayam Naktam, Abhayam Divana, Sarva Asha Mama Mitram Bhavatu. It says, may we have fearlessness or no fear from Mitrat, from our friends, and Amitrat, from our enemies or those who are not our friends. Abhayam Jnatat. Here there is again a typo. Abhayam Mitrad, Abhayam Amitrad. So that should be Dabhayam, not Dvayam. That A is missing. So Mitrad Abhayam. The last word will be Amitrad Abhayam. Otherwise it becomes Bhayam. Abhayam Mitrad, Abhayam Amitrad. Then again it has to be Abhayam Jnatat, Abhayam Parokshat.
Many words are missing.
A is missing. So Abhayam Jnatat, Abhayam Parokshat. We should have Abhayam, no fear, from what is known. Known. Like we know things and beings. So we should have Abhayam. And Abhayam, what is not known. From unknown also, we should have Abhayam. Abhayam Naktam, at night, may there be Abhayam. Abhayam Divana, and also in the day, during the day, Sarva Asa Mama Mitram Bhavatu. All directions, Asa means direction, not hope here. Asa means direction. Sarva Asa, all directions, may bring fearlessness or may become friendly to us. Yes.
Another version I have is Abhayam Jnata, Abhayam Puroya.
That is also there. Yes. There's another mantra in another place. So abhayam mitrat, abhayam amitrat, abhayam jnatat, abhayam parokshat, abhayam naktam, abhayam divana, sarva asha mama mitram bhavatu. Yes. Abhayam mitrad, abhayam amitrad, abhayam jnatad, abhayam parokshat, abhayam naktam, abhayam divana, sarva asha mama mitram bhavatu. Abhayam mitrad, abhayam amitrad, abhayam jnatad, abhayam parokshat, abhayam naktam, abhayam divana, sarva asa mama mitram bhavatu. Om. And in the Vedas, Aditi is considered to be the Deva Mata, the Supreme Divine Mother, the undivided consciousness, through whom this creation becomes possible. So,
Divine Mother. Surya is supposed to be the seventh sun.
we?
Surya is supposed to be the seventh sun.
Surya is the eight suns actually. So 7 she has accepted and the 8th one she has abandoned.
She has left as the dead.
So that is known as the Martanda. The significance is Martanda is the dark sun. Dark sun means its work is in the absolute inconscience. In the full darkness, it remains, even there is nothing like which is devoid of light. That light in the utter darkness. So from there it brings more light to the inconscience. So its work is more in the inconscience. So Agni works in the inconscience in the form of Martanda, the dark sun. So again she has to grow, the Martanda has to grow and will be accepted by Aditi. Yes. There is no father, they are all Manasaputra. They are created by the mind. Okay, so the next mantra says, Aditir Dyaur, Aditir Antariksham, Aditir Mata, Sapita, Saputra. Now your question is answered here. You says, if Aditi is Mata, who is the Pita? She says, Aditi also Pita. Aditir Mata, Aditi Pita, she is also the son. So that is why it's called Adityas. So Aditir Dyaur, Aditir Antariksham, Aditir Mata, Sapita, Saputra. Vishwe Deva Aditi, Pancha Janaha Aditi, Jatam Aditi, Janitvam Aditi. So everything is Aditi. So Aditi is the source. That undivided consciousness is the source of everything. So this is the meaning of the mantra. So Dyaur is heaven, Antariksha is the mid-region, Mata is mother, Pita is father, Putra is son. Vishwe Deva, all the universal forces. Pancha Janaha, all the human beings. Aditi, Jatam Aditi, Janitvam Aditi. So all that is born is Aditi, all that is yet to be born is also Aditi. No, it is there. Janitam is also Aditi. Aditir Dyaur, Aditir Antariksham, Aditir Mata, Sapita, Saputra, विश्वे देवा अदिति पंचजना अदिति जातम अदितिर्जनित्वम् अदितिर्द्यौरदितिरन्तरिक्षम् अदितिर्माता स पिता स पुत्रः विश्वे देवा अदिति पंचजना अदिति जातमदितिर्जनित्वम् अदितिर्द्यौरदितिरन्तरिक्षम् अदितिर्माता स पिता स पुत्रः विश्वे देवा अदिति पंचजना अदिति जातमदितिर्जनित्वम् ओम। The next one, मेधाम में वरुणो ददातु मेधामग्निः प्रजापति मेधाम इंद्रश्च वायुश्च मेधाम धाता ददातु मे स्वाहा। So it says medha. Medha is again referring to the intelligence which has the power to grasp and hold. So medham, it's again refers to the power of memory, the intelligence. Vishnu in the Vishnu Sahasranama is known as Mahamedha. Mahamedha. Mahamedha means with a super memory power. Okay. Many mega gigabytes of memory is Mahamedha, Vishnu. So medham me varuno dadatu. So may Varuna give me or bring me medha. Medham Agni Prajapati, and Agni and Prajapati may give me medha. Medham Indrascha Vayuscha, Indra and Vayu also give me medha. Dhata Dadatu me Swaha. Dhata means one who is the creator. Dadatu me Swaha. Now Swaha is again very popular word, important word in the Vedas. Swaha has two different meanings. One is su aha, coming from the root sound ahvan, ahve, to call, to invoke. So aha also means speech. So when you say su aha swaha, the Rishi means these are the good speech of mine, the prayers, swaha. The other meaning is swa aha. Swa means myself, a means completely, ha, the root sound ha means to give up, abandon, sacrifice, give. So I give myself completely. So it is again the expression of complete surrender, swaha. So I give myself completely. So these are the two meanings of swaha in the Vedas. So medham me varuno dadatu. Medham agni prajapati. Medham indrascha vayuscha. Medham dhata dadatu me स्वाहा. मेधाम मे वरुणो ददातु. मेधामग्निः प्रजापति. मेधामिन्द्रश्च वायुश्च. मेधां धाता ददातु मे स्वाहा. ओम. मेधां मे वरुणो ददातु मेधामग्निः प्रजापति मेधामिन्द्रश्च वायुश्च मेधां धाता ददातु मे स्वाहा ओम। नेक्स्ट वन से पुनन्तु मे देवजनाः पुनन्तु मनसा धियः पुनन्तु विश्वा भूतानि जातवेदः पुनीहिमा। So it says punantu ma devajanaha, all the gods, devajanaha, all the divine personalities. Ma punantu. Punantu means they purify me. They bring purity into my being. Punantu manasa dhiyah, they purify my mind and dhi. Punantu vishwa bhutani, so all beings may be purified. Jata Veda Punihima, O Jata Vedas, O Agni, Punihima, purify me. Punihi ma means to me, so purify me. Punantu ma devajana punantu manasa dhiya punantu vishwa bhutani जाता वेद पुनीहिमा। पुनन्तु मा देवजनाः पुनन्तु मनसा धियः पुनन्तु विश्वा भूतानि जाता वेद पुनीहिमा। पुनन्तु मा देवजनाः पुनन्तु मनसा धियः पुनन्तु विश्वा भूतानि जातवेदः पुनीहिमा।
Only here is Punihi, in other places is Punantu.
Punantu is the like gacchati, gacchantu, like gaccha, like dehi, the imperative, second person is punihi. You is the second person singular imperative, punihi, like dehi, jagruhi, okay, punihi. Jata Veda is the name of Agni. So, because anything which is born, which is manifest, he has the knowledge. He knows everything. Everything is in his knowledge. Anything which is manifest, which is born, he has that in his knowledge. He knows that. My mind and dhi, you purify. The next one says, Anuvratah pituh putro matra bhavatu sangmanah jaya patye madhumatim vacham vadatu shantivam. So it says, Anuvratah pituh putro. May the son follow the path of the father. Or fathers, may he have respect for his father and follow his path. Matra bhavatu sammana. Then may the mother become sammanaha. Sammana means of the equal mind. Jaya patti madhumatim vacham vadatu shantivam. And may the wife speak the words of peace and sweetness to the husband. Jaya patti madhumatim vacham vadatu shantivam. So this is where the outlining of a happy family, good family is given here. So may there be harmony and sweetness and peace in the family. May the sons follow the father, the mother have the equal mind. Sangmana. Jaya patti madhuvatim vacham vadatu shantivam. So repeat. Anuvratah pituh putro मात्रा भवतु संमना जायापत्ये मधुमतिं वाचं वदतु शान्तिवाम् अनुव्रतः पितुः पुत्रो मात्रा भवतु संमना जायापत्ये मधुमतिं वाचं वदतु शान्तिवाम् ॐ अनुव्रतः पितुः पुत्रो मात्रा भवतु संमना जायापत्ये मधुमतिं वाचं वदतु शान्तिवाम् ॐ Then sweet, full of sweetness, madhumatim vacham, because vak is feminine, so madhumatim vacham vadatu. No. These are taken from the hymns. They are part of greater hymns.
Only the role of the husband is not defined. So even if the man is on the wrong path, the putra will follow.
The man?
He is on the wrong path. Because here the roles of the father is not defined.
No, see, the idea is that may there be no dispute in the family. Sammanaha is the main word here. So may with sammanaha. We are actually separating it like father, mother and all these things. But may there be harmony and peace and sweetness in the family. So may we have a proper equal understanding of each other. So by being like that, we live together. So that is the whole idea. Huh? Anuvrata means like I follow the paths of my father. Huh? My father. Okay. So may there be no dispute between father and son. Okay. So we say na, so
Here, Anuvrataha Pitu. It means Pitu is already using Anyavrata.
yeah, the Anuvrata means the father, this goes on. The father has followed his father.
So here,
So may everyone have respect for each other and then follow the point. So the next one, it says Shatahasta Samahara Sahasrahasta Sankira Krutasya Karyasya Chehas Phatim Samavaha. It says Shatahasta Samahara. So gather everything in 100 hands. If you have used 100 hands in collecting and gathering wealth, then use 1,000 hands to distribute it. Shatahasta Samahara Sahasrahasta Sankira. Samahara is collecting, gathering. Sankira means distribute. You remember like some of you who have attended the courses before, we made a prayer, the Jivane Yavadadanam Sat Pradhanam Tatodhikam. So whatever we gain in our life, we must give back more than that. So the idea is, here again, very prominent, Shatahasta Samahara. And it doesn't say that you just give, you also gather. But gather using 100 hands, but give using 1,000 hands. Shatahasta Samahara, Sahasrahasta Sankira. Then Krutasya Karyasya Chehas Phatim Samavaha. And if you have done something good, don't leave it at that point. Sphatim Samavaha. Make all efforts to spread it, expand it. Okay. So Krutasya Karyasya Cheha Cha Iha means here. Sphatim, spread, expansion. Samavaha, you must do it. Shatahasta Samahara Sahasrahasta Sankira Krutasya Karyasya Cheha Sphatim Samavaha. Shatahasta Samahara सहस्रहस्तसङ्किर कृतस्य कार्यस्य चेह स्फातिं समावह। ॐ शतहस्तसमाहर सहस्रहस्तसङ्किर कृतस्य कार्यस्य चेह स्फातिं समावह। ॐ। नेक्स्ट वन। मा भ्राता भ्रातरम द्वीक्षन् मा स्वसारमुतस्वसा सम्यञ्च सव्रता भूत्वा वाचं वदत भद्रया। It says ma bhrata bhrataram dvikshan. So may the brother doesn't envy or have violence for the brother. So may there be harmony amongst the brothers. Swasaram uta swasa. Ma swasaram uta swasa. May sisters do not have any dispute with the sisters. Samyancha savrata bhutva. So may there be samyak, samata, equality, equanimity. Savrata, may all become of the equal vrata. Vrata means the sankalpa that one takes to do good for the soul. Vacham vadata bhadraya, may everyone speak the words of goodness to each other. No ill words, no bad words, no wrong words. Bhadram bhadraya vacha, the words which will help in our necessary progress. So ma bhrata bhrataram dvikshan ma swasaramutaswasa samyancha savrata bhutva वाचं वदत भद्रया। मा भ्राता भ्रातरं द्विक्षन् मा स्वसारमुदस्वसा सम्यञ्च सव्रता भूत्वा वाचं वदत भद्रया। ॐ मा भ्राता भ्रातरं द्विक्षन् मा स्वसारमुतस्वसा सम्यञ्च सव्रता भूत्वा वाचं वदत भद्रया। ॐ। The next one. वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तं आदित्यवर्णं तमसः, make it just the u you remove, तमसः परस्तात्। वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तं आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात्। परस्तात्, not पुरस्तात्, परस्तात्। तमेव विदित्वाति मृत्युमेति नान्यः पंथा विद्यते अयनाय। She says, Vedahametam purusham mahantam. So, you must know, or I realize, this Mahanta Purusha, this great Purusha, this supreme reality, is Aditya Varna, is shining, effulgent like the sun. Tamasah parastat, and he is there beyond the darkness, beyond the ignorance. Tamasah parastat. Tameva viditva, and knowing him, atimrutyumeti. So one goes beyond the death, beyond the mortality. Nanyah pantha vidyate ayanaya. There is no other way to escape, or ayanaya for release. So this is the path that one has to ultimately know that Supreme Purusha who is beyond darkness, beyond ignorance. So by transcending all darkness, all falsehood, all ignorance, one looks at that effulgent sun, effulgent Purusha, the bright, splendid Purusha, and only then, only when that knowledge descends, that supreme knowledge descends, one becomes free from the state of mortality and enjoys the state of immortality. So this is the way for release. Nanya pantha vidyate ayanaya. Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Aditya varanam tamasah parastat. Tameva viditvati mrityumeti. Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya. Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Aditya varanam tamasah parastat. Tameva viditvati mrityumeti. Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya. Om Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Aditya varanam tamasah parastat. Tameva viditvati mrityumeti. Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya. Om. The next one, it says Udvayam tamasaspari jyotish. It is written ashyanta, so make jyotish pashyanta. Pa. In the place of a, you write pa. Udvayam tamasaspari jyotish pashyanta uttaram. Devam devatra suryam aganma jyotiruttamam. It's again another key mantra in the Vedas, in the Vedic system of yoga. Attainment of Surya Savitri, that highest illumination, was the ultimate goal. So the Rishi says, Udvayam tamasaspari jyotish pashyanta uttaram. Tamasa pari ut, beyond the darkness. Pashyanta, we see. Uttaram jyoti, a higher light. And again, with the help of the Devam Devatra, so with the help of the divine power, Suryam, Devam Devatra Suryam, Aganma, we attain to that Surya, who is the god of the gods, and with the help of the divine power, we attain to this Suryam, which is the Jyotiruttamam, which is the greatest Jyoti, the excellent and the best Jyoti, the greatest Jyoti among all the Jyotis. So we attain to that world of sun. So this is, the Rishi says about his own realization. Udvayam tamasaspari jyotish pashyanta uttaram. Devam devatra suryam aganma jyotiruttamam. Udvayam tamasaspare jyotish pashyanta uttaram. Devam devatra suryam aganma jyotiruttamam. उद्वयं तमसस्परे ज्योतिष्पश्यन्त उत्तरं देवं देवत्रा सूर्यम् अगन्मज्योतिरुत्तमम् नेक्स्ट वन आनो भद्राः क्रतवो यन्तु विश्वतः अदब्धासो अपरीतास उद्भिद देवा नो यथा सदमित वृद्धे असन अप्रायुवो रक्षितारो दिवे दिवे. This is a very important mantra from Yajurveda. Ano bhadrah kratavo yantu vishwata. Bhadrah kratavah. Kratu means the thoughts. Bhadrah kratavah, the thoughts which are of the nature of bhadra. Bhadra means good for the soul's progress or good for the progress. Vishwatah ayantu. So they come from all sides. Vishwatah ayantu. And these thoughts are adabdhasa. Adabdhasa means the carrying the sense of unity, not division. Adabdhasa, undivided. Aparitasa, not limited, but expanded, vast, representing vastness. Aparitasa, unlimited thoughts. Udbhida. And Udbhida means coming straight from the heart, from within, from the highest consciousness. Udbhida. Deva no yatha sadamid vridhe asan aprayivo rakshitaro dive dive. Dive dive means day by day, every day. Rakshitaraha means protectors. Deva no yatha sadamid vruddhe. So, the gods, may the gods become, they come forward for our vruddhi. Vruddhe means for our progress, for our samruddhi. And sadamid, and they come and sit with us in harmony. I mean, they come and may we have the company of the gods. And for what? Vruddhi, for our samruddhi. And aprayuvo means without any pramada, without any dosha, without any fault, without any mistake. So flawlessly, may we have the help of the gods for our progress, and day by day they may protect us. They keep us protecting from all negative forces, negative energies, all enemies, and may we have all the good thoughts coming unto us from all sides, carrying unity and carrying the vastness, largeness, and spontaneously emerging from the highest consciousness or emerging from the heart, from the depth of the being. Ano bhadrah kratavo yantu vishwata adabdhaso aparitasa udbhida deva no yatha sadamid vruddhe asan aprayivo rakshitaro dive dive. So repeat. Ano bhadrah kratavo yantu vishwata adabdhaso aparitasa udbhida deva no yatha sadamid deva no yatha sadamid vruddhe asan aprayivo rakshitaro dive dive. Ano bhadrah kratavo yantu vishwata Ano bhadrah kratavo yantu vishwata adabdhaso aparitasa udbhida देवानो यथा सदमिद्वृधे असन्न प्रायुवो रक्षितारो दिवे दिवे। आनो भद्राः क्रतवो यन्तु विश्वतः अदब्धासो अपरीतास उद्भिदः देवानो यथा सदमिद्वृधे असन। You take it asan with that. Devano yatha sadamidvrudhe asan aprayivo rakshitaro dive dive. Om. The next two mantras are from the last part of the Rig Veda, last hymn of the Rig Veda, which is where the invocation is for coming together, having equal mind, having equal sankalpa. So it says, Samano mantra samiti samani, samanam manah sahachittamesham, samanam mantram abhimantrayeva, samanena vo havisha juhomi. It says, samano mantra. May our mantra be samana. May there be samatva in our mantra. Samiti samani. Our gathering, our coming together be samana. May there be harmony. Samanam manah. May we have harmonious mind. Sahachittamesha. And may we have the ekachittatva, one-minded. We should possess one mind. One mind means there is harmony amongst us. Samanam mantram abhimantrayeva. With the same mantra we invoke, we offer our offerings to the gods. Samanena vo havisha juhomi. So we offer the havish, offer the offerings, oblations with the samana manna, with that equality and equanimity. Then it says, Samaniva akuti. Akuti means our sankalpa. Our sankalpa. So what our resolutions be samana. Samana hridayaniva. May there be harmony in our hearts. May we be of equal hearts. Samanam astu vo mano yathava susahasati. So may with the equal mind we all enjoy the delight here on this earth with that equal mind, with that harmony. So may we live a harmonious life together. So samano mantra samiti samani, samanam manah sahachittamesham, samanam mantram abhimantrayeva, samanena vo havisha juhomi. Samaniva akuti, samana hridayaniva, samanamastu vo manu, yathava susahasati. Samano mantra samiti samani, samanam manah sahachittamesham, samanam mantram abhimantrayeva, samanena vo havisha juhomi. Samaniva akuti, samana hridayaniva, समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वः सुसहासते ॐ समानो मंत्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां समानं मंत्रम् अभिमन्त्रयेव समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकूतिः समाना हृदयानिव समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वः सुसहासते ॐ The caste system as a social division, it has come down to a very, like lowest kind of system for which like what is happening in the name of casteism. But this was not the idea in the Vedic time. In the Vedic time, these four aspects, the Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, they were considered to be the four important powers of the human personality. And these four powers are there in every human being. So every human being is a Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra at the same time. And one has to grow towards this integral personality, empowering all the four powers, enhancing all the four powers, developing and manifesting all the four powers in them. So the Brahmana represents the wisdom, the Kshatriya representing the power, the strength, the Vaishya representing the universal love and harmony, Shudra representing the surrender, self-giving, and self-giving, the beauty, harmony, it brings the Shudra. This is the power. So all these four powers, so depending upon the Swabhav, so one of these four powers are prominent in someone. So in someone, maybe someone is very fond of wisdom, gathering knowledge and everything. If he just keeps gathering knowledge without taking care of the other three aspects, so he is not developing an integral personality. A Brahmin is not a complete Brahmin if he has not realized his Kshatratva, Vaishwatva and Shudratva. A Vaishya is not a complete Vaishya if he has not realized his Brahmanatva, Kshatratva and Shudratva. So all these four powers, they must come forward to help each other in their growth. So that was the idea during the Vedic time. Will come. Perfection. So attaining perfection in everything. So what is perfection is translated as the skill. So I am a skillful person. But perfection. So it is the wisdom of Maheshwari, strength of Mahakali, and love of Mahalakshmi, and perfection of Saraswati. These are the four deities forming the central petals in the mother's symbol. Maheshwari, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. Maheshwari, the wisdom, power of wisdom. Mahakali, the power of the strength. And Mahalakshmi, the universal love and beauty. And Mahasaraswati is the perfection. So this was the idea during the Vedic time. Now it got the deterioration and dilution and has come to this level now. But it had nothing to do with the social division.